The Galaxy A8 2018 is Samsung's most current upper mid-run telephone, yet with its comparable glass and metal outline and styling, we'll pardon you in the event that you confuse it for the leader Galaxy S8. The rundown of similitudes incorporates a tall, edge-to-edge Super AMOLED Infinity Display, a 3000 mAh battery, and the commonplace Samsung Experience interface. Be that as it may, within, the A8 is a mid-officer, with an alternate processor and an alternate camera. Its execution isn't the same either. I have spent the previous couple of days with the Galaxy A8 2018 of every one pocket and the Galaxy S8 in the other to discover how great of a telephone the A8 truly is and how it thinks about to the leader S8. Read on to take in more. In the case, Samsung Galaxy A8 2018 telephone. User manual. Fast adaptive charge divider charger. USB-C to standard USB link. In-ear earphones, white, with 3.5mm jack. SIM card ejector instrument. Despite the fact that the Galaxy A8 2018 seems to be like the Galaxy S8 from a remote place, the contrasts between them are anything but difficult to spot when you really hold the two. The primary thing you see about the A8 is that it has substantially greater bezels, demolishing the impression of a genuine edge-to-edge, advanced plan. They don't look so great as on the S8. The A8 additionally feels significantly greater regardless of the way that it is only a hair more extensive and marginally thicker. What isn't as slight is the distinction in weight. The Galaxy A8 2018 hints the scales at 6.07 ounces, 172 grams, while the S8 is significantly lighter at 5.36 ounces, 152 grams, and you can feel this distinction. As far as materials, the A8 is made of glass and metal. The glass is Corning's Gorilla Glass 5, the most recent and most sturdy in the arrangement, while the metal is 7000 arrangement aluminum with a matte complete, not at all like that on the shiny S8. Is glass a down-to-earth decision for a telephone back? On one hand, it looks awesome when clean, and on the other, it is once in a while tidy as it gets fingerprints so effortlessly, so it's dependent upon you to choose. Luckily, they are not that detectable on the gold model that we have. One thing to remember with glass is that it does break, and we do unequivocally suggest conveying the telephone for a situation. One additionally thing we saw, this glass back isn't as tricky the same number of aluminum telephones, so you have a superior grasp on your telephone. The catches on the sides are made of metal and feel clicky and decent to press, while the amplifier is on the correct side, simply like on the Galaxy N arrangement from a year ago. On the base, you have a USB-C port for charging and an earphone jack. The A8 likewise has an IP68 water protection rating, implying that it will survive a short makeup plunge water and those mid-year days by the pool. It's authoritatively appraised to withstand up to 30 minutes of submersion in crisp water as profound as 5 feet.